Hi, I'm Anton Patton, VP of Product Management with CPS here at RE Plus in Las Vegas in front of our new 1000-volt 100kW inverter. We're excited to announce this product, really building off our successful 5060 platform. It's been one of our most popular products in the CNI market, really been a big part of us being #1 market share in the CNI space. Some exciting features here. It's got our separable wire box design, which a lot of our 1000-volt inverters have. It's built for rooftop projects, can also be used for carport ground mount. It's got integrated rapid shutdown, DC AFCI, integrated DC AC switches. It's got one of our new features. It's called what we call our enhanced DC feature that allows the DC switches to automatically disconnect the DC side in the case of a short circuit condition. So added protection there. We're excited to launch it and announce it here. If you have any questions about our new 100kW or any of our other products, come to our website, chintpowersystems.com, call a hotline, or reach out to our engineering team. Happy to answer any questions.